You can make over $1,000 a month vibe coding micro apps. And for the first time in history, the barriers between tech people and non-tech people have finally been lifted. This means that the average person with no coding experience can use AI to build full commercial apps that people are willing to give you their money for. I've recently launched one of my first apps that did over $4,000 in 1 month. And I'm going to show you what I did to make the app and how I got customers. So if this is something that you're interested in, tap the like button because we're about to get profitable. One of the very first tools I ever built was called Viral Script AI. And within 1 month, I generated a monthly recurring revenue of $962 and the total revenue so far is $4,553. I also use this same tool to grow one of my TikTok accounts that I've not posted to in a while, and if I go into the settings of this account and just change this to the last 365 days, you see it's had 4.6 million views, and I've been promoting this tool across this channel whilst using this tool to also create these scripts. So I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the tool and everything. But I want to now show you the tool I use to build the app. I've been using a tool called Lovable. And I'll leave a link in the description to get you free credits so you can play around with it before you need to invest. But essentially what this tool does, it will bring your ideas to life. For example, if I wanted to create a membership app, I would simply type into the box, create a membership app that lets me add courses. And there is no real limitations to what you can do. The core focus of Lovable is to take away all of the tech problems and just let you guide it and give it your ideas. And then AI will build it for you. These are what we call an MVP product, which means good for getting your app off the ground and getting your first 100 to 1,000 customers. But as you want to scale it, you will need developers in to develop it further. You might be thinking, but I don't really have an app idea, so how do I even find or know what's going to work for me? So essentially you would just say, hey, what is it that my customers are always asking me? And how can I build a single app that solves just one problem of our target market? Now, if that's a little too broad for you, I invite you to join my Make More Sales school group. This is where you get direct access to me, and I'll actually help give clarity, tell you further directions on what to do, how to do it, and I'll just help you bring your idea to life. There's nothing worse than getting stuck when you are moments away of being wildly successful. So come into the group, I'll leave the link in the description if you want. Once you've started building your app and bringing it to life, the next step would be selling it. So how do you actually get customers? And there's numerous ways that you can do this, but my absolute recommendation, especially if you want to make actual money and not just have a bunch of time wasters or people signing up for free and not doing anything, is creating a customized document and sending it to some local businesses or target market. It's a lot more personalized, easier to do, and much more effective. Take it from someone who's been seen by over 50 million people. Doing it this way is much easier than trying to go viral all the time and selling it that way. I actually built my own tool because I felt Google Documents just didn't cut it when I wanted to do specific things that I'm about to show you. So if you head over to martydoc.com, I'll also leave the link in the description. Once you're inside the dashboard, you want to go ahead and create a document. One of the reasons I like using MartyDoc is because you can embed a video directly that's actually playable in the document. You can't do things like that in Google Docs. There's also other features like hyperlinking text and adding pop-up videos, and all of these things add to the experience. I also wanted to make the document a lot more interactive than what you can typically do with Google, so I added custom things like being able to add custom buttons. And then if I ever wanted to do paid tracking, I can go to settings, click on tracking, and add in different tracking codes. If I wanted to use Clarity, Hotjar, Google Analytics, or Facebook ads, I can add the code in and start tracking things properly. I can also do things like adding banners. So I can say things like limited time offer, and then I can even add a countdown timer And after that countdown timer has finished, I have different things I can do. Show a custom message such as, sorry, this offer has ended, which will show a page like this if someone tries to visit the page after the offer has ended. Or I can redirect them to another URL, like another document with a new offer, or I can select capture leads, and this will show an email and a name input field for them to enter their details. The leads will be stored directly in Marty Doc for you, which you can also export. If I go ahead and do save changes, that and the countdown timer has now been added to the top of the page. And I can also do things like adding custom disclaimers to the bottom of the document, so it will look just like this. And as a marketer who's already got an existing email database, whenever I do a launch, I actually like to come into the documents, start editing my offer. And one of the worst things about doing this is the things that come afterwards, like needing to email the database. So I built in a tool called Email Creator, and what this will do is let you choose the tone, such as urgent, the purpose, which is promotional. Then I can add additional guidelines if I wanted to refine the AI a little bit more, and then click on generate. Marty Doc is understanding this document, and it's generating a high converting email that you can copy and paste into your autoresponder to start sending people follow-ups. Another thing you can do is head over to school and join a lot of different communities and start contributing into communities that are in a similar niche or would benefit from your product. Start engaging with people, and then you can start sending them over to your inbox. It's a little bit slower in nature, but it can be super effective. Once they're in the inbox, you can actually start selling to them. Having something like Marty Doc that you can share the link with them would be really helpful and super streamlined. Now, if you don't want to go through the effort of manually needing to type out each answer to each person inside school, I actually have this low cost training called Inbox Farming. And this teaches you how to use an automation to start anywhere from 100 to 300 conversations per day. So essentially, the AI is finding the people, talking to them, and then it's only a matter of time until you start getting inboxes. Another way you can start promoting your app is through videos. You can see here my videos getting millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views, lots and lots of views. And if you're not good at script writing, I just want to show you the ViroScript tool and how good it really is. So if you head over to viralscriptai.com, I'll leave the link in the description for you can go ahead and enter in a custom hook. An example of a hook is calm your anxiety with 5 methods. Select that hook, then choose a framework if you're a consultant, do 20 content ideas, and then generate. This is now generating 20 days worth of video scripts. What we're looking at here are the crucial components of going viral online. It will generate an attractive viral worthy top hook, a bottom hook, captions and hashtags. If you want this script directly, just click generate script. It will create a short form video script that you can pick up your camera, read and post. And this will drastically increase the chances of you going viral. The aim of the game is to get in front of people with a targeted message. Once you get big enough on either platform, you can drive followers from one platform to jumpstart everything you need for the next platform. So just pick one and start posting. This is exactly how I generated over $1,000 in month 1 of building my own vibe coded app. If I can do it, you can do it too. And I'm curious, what sort of app would you like to build, and how can I help you more so you can finally build it? Leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.